friends, welcome to STR Tree channel. Now in this video, I am going to tell the excellent method which will applicable for any type of digits in division method. So watch the video until the end and please like, share and subscribe my channel. Also click the bell icon to get instant notifications. Let's join it video. Okay friends, now I am going to tell a fantastic division trick which will help you to solve larger division problem in fraction of seconds. Okay friends, let's move to the video. Now we can see the type 1 method problems. Okay. Friends, see the question. 7,35,625 by 2,29,285 equals to question mark. Okay friends, now with the trick we are going to answer the question in 5 to 8 seconds. Okay, see the rules for the trick. Rules. Number 1. Take first two numbers in numerator and denominator. What they are saying means we want to take first two numbers from numerator also in denominator. You have a question that why we want to take two digits from numerator and denominator, because count the digits in the numerator and denominator. 1, 2, 3, 6, 6. In both sides we have 6 digits of number. So when we have equal digits of number in both sides, we want to take first two numbers from both sides and we want to divide it. Okay. So we want to take the question 7,35,625 divided by 2,29,285 equals to, we want to take first two numbers, so 73 by 22. Okay, then divide the numbers. Then we want to divide the number 73 by 22. Okay, 73 by 22 equals to 3.3. Okay friends, then the result will be rounded one to the exact answer. What they are saying means the 3.3 is the answer for 73 by 22, but it is the final answer for the question, but it is not the exact answer. Okay friends, we rounded the exact answer to 3.3. Okay, now I will tell how did we round it and get 3.3. Okay, the exact answer for the question is 3.20834332817232. It is the exact answer for the problem friends. Now I will say how did we round it off. Okay, actually I write the number in down and took the last digit, and with that I saw the before the digit of it. See that if it is the before digit of the last digit is lesser than 5, write the digit after decimal point as it is. But if it is greater than 5, add one digit after decimal point. So we write and get the answer like 3.3. Because see the number in the red, it is the number after the last digit 6. It is above 5. So we added 1 to the number after decimal point. So we get the answer as 3.3. Did you understand friends? How did we get the answer? Okay, let's move to another question, another type. Now we are going to see about type 2. Now in this type 2 we are going to solve the sum which is used when numbers in numerator are greater than denominator and the difference of the both numbers are 1. I know that you can't understand the statement which I said clearly. Okay, I will explain in what I said in problem 2. Okay, see the problem 2 friends. 9,1,2,4,5,6,4 by 9,8,8,9,2,3 equals to question mark. Okay friends, This is the question. Now with the trick we are going to answer the question in 5 to 6 seconds. Okay, then see the rules. Rules. First one, take first 3 numbers in numerator and first 2 numbers in denominator. What they are saying means we want to take first 3 numbers in numerator and 2 numbers in denominator. You may raise a question that why we want to take first 3 numbers in numerator and first 2 numbers in denominator, but we took only first 2 numbers in type 1 problem. Yes, your question is correct, because we see the number 1, 2, 3, 4. It in number in numerator as 7 digits, but number in denominator as 6 digits. I already told that type 2 was based on the problems which has the difference digits are 1. Okay, upper we got as 7 digits and but lower we has 6 digits. So we took 3 numbers from numerator and first 2 numbers in denominator. I think that you understand clearly. Okay, write the question. 9, 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, 4 divided by 9, 8, 8, 9, 2, 3 equals to. Now we want to take first 3 numbers in numerator and first 2 numbers in denominator. So 912 divided by 98. Then divide the numbers. Now we want to divide 912 by 98. So if we divide 912 by 98 equals to 9.3. Okay friends, then see the rule. The result will be rounded 1 to the exact answer. So it is the 9.3 is the answer for 912 by 98. Also it is the final answer for the question, but not the exact answer. Then you will raise a question that how we got the answer. Like type 1, we rounded the exact answer to 9.3. Don't worry, I will say the rounded method in this type also. Okay, 9.22676892. This is the exact answer for the question, friends. Now in this we see the rounding method. If the last before digit was lesser than 5, write the number after decimal point as it is. If it is greater than 5, add 1 to the digit after decimal point. So I write down the answer, and what is the last digit? 2. So I highlighted in blue color. Then the before digit was for 2 is 9. So I highlighted in red color to show the differentiate. See the 9. It is a lesser than 5 or greater than 5? Absolutely, it is greater than 5. So we added 1 to the number digit after decimal point. What is the digit after decimal point? It is 2. So 2 plus 1, 3. So we get the answer as 9.3. Did you understand, friends? Okay. We will move to the type. Okay. Now in this type 3 method we are going to solve the sum which is used when numbers in numerator are lesser than denominator and the difference of the digits are 1. I know that you can't understand clearly. Actually it is the opposite method for to the type 2. Okay, I will explain the type 3 method in problem 3. Okay. See the problem, friends. 98,548 divided by 3,46,547. 547 equals to question mark. Now we see the rule. Now with the trick we are going to solve the sum in 5 to 6 seconds. Okay, first see the rules for the trick. Rules. First one. Take first 2 numbers in numerator and first 3 numbers in denominator. What they are saying means take first 2 numbers in numerator and first 3 numbers in denominator. What we did in our type 2, actually we took first 3 numbers in numerator and first 2 numbers in denominator. But it is opposite to the type 2. As we are taking first 2 numbers in numerator and first 3 numbers in denominator. Okay. So proceed the rule. So 98,548 divided by 3,46,547 equals to, take the first two numbers in numerator and first three numbers in denominator, equals to 98 by 346. Then see the rule 2. Divide the numbers. So now we want to divide 98 by 346. So 98 by 346 equals to 0.28. Then see the last rule. The result will be the rounded one to the exact answer. I already taught about the rule number 3 in before type. No problem. I will also retell the trick. What they are saying means 0.28 is the answer for 98 by 346. Also it is the final answer for the question, but not the exact answer for the question. Actually we got 0.28 in rounding method. So see the number 0.28437124. This is the number which was the exact answer for the question, but we rounded by the method. See the method. Here, see the last digit first. The last digits what? 4. See the before digit 2. Okay. Last before digit lesser than 5 means 0.28. If last before digit was greater than 5, add answer as 0.29. So what they are saying means, see the last number 4, which was highlighted in blue. See friends. Then see the before of that 2, which was highlighted in red color. Okay. Now tell me that 2 is lesser than 5 or greater than 5. Actually it is lesser than 5. So we write the number after decimal point as it is. Also the answer is 0.28. Did you understand friends how we got the answer as 0.28? Okay, let's move to next type. Type 4. Okay friends, now in this type 4 method we are going to solve the sum which is used when the numbers in numerator are greater than denominator and the difference of the digits are 2. Okay, I know that you understand it some 50 to 60%. Okay, I will explain what I said in the problem 4. Okay, let's go to the problem. Okay, see the question friends. 85,859 divided by 921 equals to question mark. Okay, then see the rules for the trick. Okay, what is the rule? Take first 4 numbers in numerator and first 2 numbers in denominator. Because see the difference friends. 85, see the digits in numerator and denominator. In numerator the number has 5 digits, but in denominator it has 3 digits. See 5 minus 3 is equal to 2. So the number which is in numerator or greater than denominator, also it has 2 digits extra than denominator. So we took 4 numbers in numerator and first 2 numbers in denominator. So let's proceed the trick. So 85,859 by 921 equals to, first take 4 numbers in numerator and first 2 numbers in denominator. So 8,585 divided by 92. See the next rule. Divide the numbers. Now we want to divide 8,585 by 92. Okay. 8,585 by 92 equals to 93.3. Okay. See the last rule. The result will be the rounded one to the exact answer. I already thought that it is not the exact answer, but the final answer for the question. And I will tell how we got 93.3 in rounding method. Okay. 93.223669. It is the exact answer for the question. 85,859 divided by 921. but we rounded off through this method. See the method. Loss before digit if lesser than 5 means 93.9.2 is the answer. If the loss before digit was greater than 5, 93.3 is the answer. Now I thought that you understand of a way. See, what is the last digit? 9. See the blue color, 9. See the before digit of that, it is also the 9. So now tell that 9 is above than 5 or lesser than 5. Absolutely it is above than 5. So we added 1 to the digit after decimal point. So we got the answer as 93.3. Did you understand the type 4, friends? Okay, let's move to another type. It is 5. Okay friends, now in this type 5 method, we are going to solve the sum when numbers in numerator are lesser than denominator and the difference of the digits are 2. I know that you can't understand clearly. Actually, it is the opposite to the type 4. Okay, I will explain the problem in problem. Okay friend, see the question. 9132 divided by 5,34,694 equals to question mark. Now it is the question, friends. So first see the rules for the trick. Rules. First take 2 numbers in numerator and first 4 numbers in denominator. What they are saying means take first 2 numbers in numerator and 4 numbers in denominator. So write the question. 9132 divided by 5,34,694 equals to 91 divided by 5,346. Then see the rule. Divide the numbers. Now we want to divide that. So 91 divided by 5,346 equals to 0.01. Okay, see the last rule. The result will be the rounded one to the exact answer. I already told that it is the exact final answer but not exact answer. We got the answer from the rounding method. Okay, no, don't worry, I will retell the rounding method. See the number 0.017078927. This is the exact answer for the question, friends, but we rounded the answer and we get the 0.01. Okay, I will tell how we rounded. Okay, see that last before digit if lesser than 5, the answer was 0.01. If the last before digit was greater than 5, the answer was 0.02. So write down the number 0.017078927. It is the number, friends. See the last digit. The last digit was 7. See the blue colored number. It is the last digit number 7. See the before to the 7, 2. Okay friends, now tell that if 2 is lesser than 5 or greater than 5. Absolutely it is lesser than 5. So we write the number after the decimal point as it is. So we got the answer as 0.01. Okay friends. Okay, let's move to summary. See the summary, friends. What I taught you in the full video, I was written in the single page. So please carefully listen. See summary. Type 1. Numbers in numerator and denominator are equal. Okay. Take first 2 digits from both numerator and denominator and divide it. The answer is the rounded one to the exact answer. I wrote that what we did in the type 1. Okay. See the next type. Type 2. Numbers in numerator are greater than denominator. Also, the difference of the digits must be 1. So, what is the trick? Rule. Take first 3 digits from numerator and 2 digits from denominator and divide it. The answer is rounded 1 to the exact answer. What I taught you is in the summary, friends. Okay. See the type 3. Numbers in numerator are lesser than denominator and the difference of the digits are 1. Okay. What is the rule we used in type 3? Take first 2 digits from numerator and 3 digits from denominator and divide it. The answer is the rounded one to the exact answer. I told no friends, the type 3 was opposite to the type 2. In the type 2 we took first 3 digits from numerator and 2 digits from denominator, but in type 3 we took 2 digits from numerator and 3 digits from denominator. In the point only you have to understand the difference between type 2 and type 3. Okay, then see the type 4. Numbers in numerator are greater than denominator and the difference of the digits are 2. Okay, take first 4 digits from numerator and 2 digits from denominator and divide it. The answer is the rounded one to the exact answer. What I taught you was written in that. Okay, let's move to another type 5. Numbers in numerator are lesser than denominator and the difference of the digits are 2. Okay, what is the trick? Take first 2 digits from the numerator and 4 digits from the denominator and divide it. The answer is rounded one to the exact answer. Already told you that the type 5 was opposite to the type 4. Okay friends. Now I will give some questions. You want to find the answer with the trick what I taught you and comment your answer in comment section and also give your doubt in comment section. Wait for more big video. Thank you friends.